Hi guys, welcome to my Wix tutorial on how to create a beautiful, amazing blog using the Wix platform. You have already set up your website using tutorial 1. You have optimized it for mobile devices using tutorial 2. And now we are moving on to creating a stunning blog and sending it out to all your subscribers. If you have any questions during the tutorial, comment them below and I will give you feedback. Hi guys, welcome back again. Today I am going through how to create a blog on your Wix website. We did the basics on tutorial 1. And today we are putting your blog on your website. This is what we created last time, if you remember. A nice simple website about me, contact us. And the blog we put on at the end of tutorial 1 just showed the basics. So let's go straight into our Wix editor. So when you go back into your Wix editor, which is wix.com, and you log in, you get your dashboard. This is your dashboard. You go to Site Actions and click on Edit Site. And where you left off last time should open up before your eyes as long as you press Save on the last time. So we have our blog already on there. My blog, we click on my blog and we can either manage posts or create a post. Now the manage posts will show the posts that Wix automatically put on there for you the first time. For example, now you can blog from everywhere. So these are standard ones that Wix has put on so that you can go into them and change them if you like and create your own with them. You can choose your author name and that will always come up. So I will be the Card Geek, obviously. And we will replace this with my lovely photo here so that you can always see on all my posts that the Card Geek has created this. Now, instead of editing these, which you can go through if you wish, I am just going to delete these out of there altogether because we really don't need those in there. And we're going to create a new post. Now, let's have a look what title we can do. I'm going to go to my website and just replicate one of the blog posts I already have. It's my pop-up, my Lightbox to get more people to subscribe to my newsletter. And here are my blog posts. These are actually where I've shared my YouTube videos as well. Quite useful for that. So I will copy and paste the title. You can write any title in that you wish. I will copy and paste the writing here from my blog. Where am I? There. And as you see, we have a little bit of writing and we have a plus button wherever we click. So if we click on the plus button, we can either choose a photo, a gallery, which is many different photos, or a video. Here we will choose one of my YouTube videos. This one will do. And we will put it straight into there. And as you see, my lovely face and my YouTube video pops up on there. It says to play this video, view this post from your site. And then what you can do at the end is you can put some hashtags in, hashtag the Card Geek. And as you see, they automatically come up in blue. Hashtag Kipper cards. Whoops. When they're together, they don't, but if I space them, so it's easily searchable for anybody. And what you can then do is we can either publish, or if we click on the buttons at the side, we can look at our post settings. And we can set our blog to feature this post, which means it will always come up as one of the first ones. Can choose a category. You have categories already. We don't want these in here, so we will create our own. The card geek as a category. We can create reads tick. There we go. We've got 2 in already. Take that one out. And then we can go to our SEOs, which are obviously important for being found online. And you can add a shorter post URL. You can determine a shorter, snappier title if you wish for when it comes up on Google search, and then describe what the post is about and press save. So if we then publish, the blog post is automatically published. And the wonderful thing about Wix, you'll see it's on the website now. The wonderful thing about Wix is if we go to the home page, remember this subscribe box that we put in the first tutorial? Everybody who has subscribed to your newsletter through this function will automatically receive an email when you blog. So every single blog that is released on your website will automatically be sent out as the Card Geek has released a blog. So it's doing the email marketing for you at the same time as blogging. And as you see, the categories have come up at the top. These can be changed too. You can change the settings on how your blog looks, how it reacts. Look here, settings, send email notifications to subscribers. With that box ticked, it's going out to everybody who has subscribed to your website. Display. These are the information. If you don't want the author on, you see my name here disappears when I click on that. And then the layout, we can choose different layouts. You'll see more when we put a second. Let's add a second. Manage posts. Create new post. Let's have a look what else I have on my blog post. Keep a card meanings. Copy that. See what happens when I copy and paste all of that. There you go. And then you can put some photos in, obviously, where you wish to. Delete that. Add an image. Let's have some Kipper cards. Want to add a caption to this image? Awesome. Let's do that. Kipper card mash. And then we would obviously go to the same as we did last time. We changed category, changed the post settings. On this occasion, we'll just post it. And then we close down this blog. And you see I'll now have 2 posts in there, which we can change around if we wish. Layout. Up above each other, black backgrounds, postcards. So it really can look in many different ways. You can customize that to what pleases you. You can also switch across to stretch to full width, which will stretch across then desktops or laptop views. And that is as simple as a blog will be. We publish the website. I always republish once I've done anything new to make sure that the changes have been made. And then obviously my subscribers will get a lovely email that a new blog post is on my website. So that's as simple as it is. Let's have a look when we publish what the blog post looked like live. View site. And click on blog. And the blog page now has 2 blogs on there. So that's it. You have an amazing blog set up. Don't forget to comment your links on your blog below so I can check out what a great job you have done. And always like, subscribe, and subscribe to our blogs so that you get all the latest notifications from Allstarspace and me, the Card Geek.